Is your high-efficiency air handler refusing to start or showing a mysterious flashing light? The answer usually lies within the control board, the primary processing center that regulates the blower motor and coordinates with the outdoor condenser to maintain your climate control. Welcome to PartsHnC. This essential board is meticulously designed to work with modern refrigerants and multi-speed motors to ensure your home reaches peak energy performance. Diagnostic indicators are built directly into the board to help you identify operational issues without the guesswork. While a solid light typically means the system is in standby or a lockout state, and a slow green pulse indicates a healthy heating call, other patterns signal trouble. For instance, a rapid flash means the system is detecting a polarity error or a failure in the electrical ground. Specific sequences provide deeper insight. A single flash points to a system lockout or a failure to start, while 3 flashes signify a pressure switch error. If you see 4 flashes, check for restricted airflow. It's often just a dirty air filter triggering an open limit switch. 7 flashes identify a low signal or a valve communication issue. On advanced digital interfaces, look for specific codes: A6 for a fan motor fault, U4 for communication failure between indoor and outdoor units, and E1 for a critical failure of the circuit board itself. When performing maintenance or a component swap, always document the wiring positions with a photograph to ensure the system is restored to its original configuration. For trusted HVAC and air handler replacement parts, visit PartsHnC.com. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for more expert HVAC maintenance tips and guides. Thanks for watching.